ko na tamang swabe.
Isa lang ang hanap ko.
Swabing tama ng Primera Light Brandy. Para sa akin, itong inuming walang sabit. Pangako ko sa'yo. Primera Light Brandy. Tamang swabe, swabing tama. Drink responsibly.
They feel the same.
Both have firm bristle.
They both smell nice. But it's soft. There's no difference.
Hey,
80% less? Well,
that's
that's...
a big difference.
The quality you look for, up to 80% less. Switch to Watson's and save.
Picture this, our world-famous fries, a honey banana McFloat, and the new cheesy burger McDo. The Despicable Me Trio, here for a limited time.
They feel the same.
Both have firm bristle.
They both smell nice. But it's soft. There's no difference.
Hey,
80% less? Well,
that's a big difference.
The quality you look for, up to